Tired of flimsy takeout forks snapping mid-bite? Whether you're a digital nomad, a hiking enthusiast, or just leveling up your office desk cutlery, switching to the best travel utensils is the ultimate life hack. Today, we're counting down the top 7 portable flatware sets that solve the disposable plastic nightmare once and for all. Stick around until the end. Our number 1 pick features a futuristic magnetic tech that literally changes the way you pack. Let's dive into these best camping cutlery sets. If you're interested after watching this review, you can find the live price update and the purchase link with the best deal on Amazon in the description below. Rockets, stick around for the full comparison to find exactly what you need. If this helps, hit subscribe to Best Tendency for your regular tech and gadget fix. Number 7. OXO Good Grips Prep and Go, the ergonomic icon. If you want your travel cutlery set to feel like home, the OXO Good Grips is your winner. This 3-piece stainless steel set features full-sized heads, making it the best lunchbox silverware for those who hate tiny toy forks. It nests perfectly in a sleek, white hygienic case. While some users find the snap closure a bit finicky, its dishwasher-safe durability and the OXO Better Guarantee make it a budget-friendly staple for commuter eating tools. Number 6. Zoku Pocket Utensil Set, the quietest commuter. The Zoku Pocket Utensil Set is the best travel utensils with case for anyone who hates the clinking sound in their backpack. It features a unique silicone grip that holds the 18/8 stainless steel fork, knife, and spoon tightly together. This reusable travel utensil set is an award winner for its compact design and leak-proof case. It's the top-rated choice for a clean, rattle-free office lunch. Number 5. Roxon C1, the 3-in-1 space saver. For the hiking and survival crowd, the Roxon C1 is a masterpiece of engineering. This is a magnetic and foldable multi-tool that collapses to save 50% more space than traditional sets. It's a 3-in-1 camping cutlery set that includes a surprisingly sharp hacksaw knife. While the folding mechanism takes a second to master, it's the best portable flatware set for ultralight backpacking mess kits. Number 4. Logcow 10-piece set, the steakhouse specialist. The Logcow portable travel camping cutlery set is the most affordable price option for a full 10-piece kit. What sets it apart? A dedicated, sheathed steak knife. Unlike other silverware kits, this one handles tough meats with ease. It also includes silicone-tipped straws and spice jars, making it the best deals for van life essentials and family picnics. Number 3. Taplord 10-piece kit, the ultimate luxury set. The Taplord travel utensils set is for the person who wants a fine dining experience in the woods. This 10-piece portable silverware set includes everything from a butter knife to salt shakers and chopsticks. It's the best travel cutlery set for RV life, featuring a water-resistant, organized pouch that keeps everything in place. It's a heavy-duty, dishwasher-safe solution for the eco-conscious traveler. Number 2. Quaidish Portable Set, the Amazon bestseller. Currently holding the number 1 spot in camping flatware, the Quaidish Portable Silverware Set is the gold standard for reusable silverware sets. This 5-piece stainless steel kit includes anti-slip laser-etched chopsticks and an upgraded case with an internal elastic band. It's sturdy, rust-resistant, and incredibly lightweight. If you need a reliable silverware kit for daily use, this is the best portable flatware set for the money. Number 1. Full Windsor Magware, the magnetic masterpiece. Finally, our top pick. The full Windsor Magware is the best camping cutlery set ever designed. Made from hard-anodized aluminum, these utensils use high-powered magnets to snap together into one ultra-slim profile. At only 0.11 kilograms, it's the ultimate pocket silverware. It's sleek, vibrant, and incredibly durable. If you want the best travel utensils that combine cool factor with extreme portability, this is it. Which one fits your bag? From the magnetic magware to the full-service Taplord, there's no reason to ever use plastic again. Investing in a reusable travel utensil set saves you money and helps the planet. Which of these top 7 caught your eye? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss our next best deals review. Thanks for watching.